You don't need anybody's permission to get better as a leader. You don't need anybody's permission to go back and be more intentional with your team. This is your choice. You get an opportunity to decide. You have the opportunity to go, I'm gonna take my business to the next level by taking my leadership to the next level. And yeah, you've made some mistakes along the way, that's okay. But guess what? It just means we're human. But what do we do from here? How do we do this? Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and I want you to grow forward.